Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REDMI K90 and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find additional settings. Then scroll down again to the very bottom to find OTG. Let's tap. And here tap on this switcher next to it. So now you can connect and power Type-C devices if the OTG is not turned on automatically, because usually it is. However, if there are some problems, you can do it manually here. And if you wish to turn it off, you've got two different ways to do that. So you can either turn it off manually just by tapping on the switcher, or you can simply wait 10 minutes, because if it is not in use, then it will be powered off automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.